Hello everybody, welcome to what I'm hoping is going to be a very festive little video. Sarah and I have met Jackie. Look, little tiny Jackie's in the video. Hi Jackie, so small, so cute. So we're at Vista Village, which is very close to where Jackie lives. So we met her for an outside stroll and some Christmas shopping, and then later we're going to Blenheim Palace to see the Christmas lights. So I thought I'd just bring you along on a sort of festive weekend. Christmas shopping, yay! So far so good. We've been into 2 stores and bought 2 Christmas presents, so 100% success rate so far. The girls are now in bash or buh and shush. Christmas is weird this year, obviously because of the pandemic and everything. I'm not seeing my family. I might go and visit them before Christmas, but sort of individually. It depends on all the rules, you know. London's in tier 2 where I am, and I think Norwich where they are is tier 1 or 2, so I think we can meet outside. So I'll probably try and see them all before December's out, but we're not doing Christmas together for the first year ever, which is really weird, but it has made Christmas shopping so much easier. I haven't got many people to buy for, so it's really nice to relax and do the shopping without like loads of stress and pressure. I'm kind of enjoying it. I reckon I can get all my Christmas shopping done today, which would be lovely. We're trying to convince Jackie to buy things for herself, because she never shops.
Am I allowed to try on?
I'm very smug that Jackie likes all my suggestions more than Sarah's suggestions. I've learned that Jackie likes a darker suede like this, but Sarah keeps going, no, try these ones. She's not going to like them, they're too light for her.
Yeah, they're too light. Why do I have to put this on? I don't even know. Because I like them. Okay.
A little lunch stop. I have the plant-based burger with fries.
I have salad.
Sarah has a roasted vegetable salad. Jackie has massive ribs and chips. It's getting dark now, it's only 3:30, but part of the perk of like an earlier winter evening is that the lights come out. Look how pretty it is around here. Pretty. Look at this little one. Hello. What if I come round this way? What if I go round this way?
What if I film?
Okay. What if I went round this way? Got her. Wow. What do you think of the lights, kiddo? Impressed? You like them? This is magic. I am very much wearing the wrong footwear for this and did not think it through at all. Oopsie.
Father Christmas, well, everything's going to be all right with presents with the COVID.
Yes, because I've got special anti-COVID spray.
That's good.
And I'm going to get the vaccine.
That's perfect, isn't
Right,
it?
before Christmas, they promised
So you'll
me.
still be okay to deliver?
I'll still be okay to deliver.
It's 9 PM and I've just got home, and I have to say I've had the most wonderful festive day and I feel all warm and fuzzy now. We talk to Sarah's parents, well Sarah talks to her parents pretty much every day, on the phone or on like a video chat or something. But obviously there's no substitute for the real thing, and I love her family to pieces. They're really, really lovely. And I think because of the pandemic and everything, you have to, especially us being in tier 2, we can only meet people outside, out and about. So it kind of encourages you to do things that are a little more adventurous. So going to see the lights and going to go shopping and everything was a really lovely sort of festive thing to do. And I just feel very blessed right now. I actually, well, the house is full of stuff now, like gifts for people. While we were out, we also had some deliveries that our neighbours took for us. And that's now Christmas complete. Have you finished your shopping?
Yeah, I have to get some nice packaging
To put things in?
To put things
Right.
in. I made the error. It wasn't them, it was me. I got very annoyed getting the boxes. I went, that wasn't what I ordered. And I just looked on the website and it was what I ordered.
So we just got home. Sarah opened a few boxes that had arrived while we were gone. She thought they came in gift boxes and they didn't. So she's gone, they didn't give me the gift boxes. Turns out that's Sarah's fault. But tomorrow, I'm really looking forward to wrapping gifts now.
I'm actually so excited to go and get some. I'm actually quite excited now to get my boxes that I thought I'd ordered and then wrap it up.
I love gift wrapping.
I love wrapping.
Good afternoon. Sarah and I have just got back from a very long walk where we essentially got all of the Christmas paraphernalia. So we got gift boxes and wrapping paper and ribbons and sellotape and all that stuff. In fact, behind camera right now is an absolute mess, but soon it won't be. We're going to get some Christmas music on, we're going to start wrapping, and then I think, are we going to store our things under the tree in the meantime?
That might be nice.
Even though we're not actually having Christmas here, we're doing it at your parents', but put them under the tree just because it looks nice.
Yeah.
Okay, cool, that's what we're going to do. So, full disclosure, I am actually working with Johnnie Walker on this part of the video. I'm basically going to share with you some of the gifts that I've got people, but I'm not going to give any surprises away. So, it's for people who know what they're getting already or who don't watch my content. Now, I'm working with Johnnie Walker, but actually it makes perfect sense for this segment of the video because I have a friend who I get a bottle of whiskey for every year, and we do a different one every year. Now, my friend, my best mate actually, he actually left London during like kind of the summertime. He was already in the process of moving house and it all happened to take place during the pandemic, so I've barely seen him this year and I'm going to have to send it back to Scotland where he lives. Now, I've got a choice of two here. The beautiful thing about Johnnie Walker is that they do whiskey. They have so many varieties. They do something for everyone. Now, personally, I don't like my whiskey too heavy and too peaty, so I know what I go for. But, you know, as long as you know the taste of the person you're shopping for, there is something for everyone. Now, I know Ewan, my friend, really buys into, like, a story. Like, if he hears something, for example, his new thing is podcasts, right? Based on a podcast, before the pandemic, he nearly booked us into like some adventure camping trip where you learn survival skills because he heard a podcast about how you should sort of every once in a while step back into nature and away from technology and stuff. And he was like, Jim, let's go on this like amazing camping experience where we learn how to like light fires with flint and we go abseiling and stuff. And he also bought a Peloton the other day because he was listening to a podcast the guy who invented Peloton basically was talking about his journey, and now he's gone and bought one. So he loves.
I have listened to that podcast though, and it is really good.
It is really interesting. You're right. But Ewan loves like a story. So I have two options for him here. I think the one I'm going to go for is this one here. Now this is the John Walker and Sons celebratory blend. So basically, this is about as close as you can possibly get to a whiskey from the 1860s, which was John Walker and Sons' first commercially available Highland whiskey. And it comes in a really beautiful box with like really lovely presentation, which I know you all will appreciate. So as you open it, you've got kind of text here and text here, all about the story and the blend, and then you open it up like that, and it's just a really beautiful box. It's almost too good to drink and open because it's so beautifully done. But I think this is a really lovely one because it hails back to like the very beginning of the company. Now they're celebrating their 200th anniversary, so both of these are sort of special limited edition ones. Here I have the blue label, but again it comes in like a really wonderful box. Now I think I'm going to keep this one for myself because Ewan's having this one, not because this one's bigger, but just because I think this one has a more meaningful story for him. Now this is the limited edition 200th anniversary blue label, got 200 on here, and again when you open it, it's just stunning inside. I think I might keep this one for myself because I think this one is more suited to Ewan. So I'm going to keep this one for me because I likes it, and that's all. Now on the theme of me, I mentioned that we went shopping yesterday and I picked up something for myself. I'm going to show you what that is first. Now, this I got from Ralph Lauren from Vista Village yesterday. It's really festive. Now I actually don't have a festive jumper. I had a big clear out the other day, and my only jumper that was really festive was very like reindeers and Santa Claus, which isn't really me. I like my festivities to be a little more subtle, and I actually nearly bought this when it came into the stores originally. Would have been about 2 years ago, and I really ummed and ahed about it, but I ended up not buying it, and then I found it on in Vista Village, which is obviously an outlet store, so it was less than half the price that I would have paid for it. So that's my Christmas gift to myself. It's really nice and festive. In fact, Sarah and I are going to bake some mince pies in a bit, so maybe I'll wear that for it. What else? This one here is actually not a Christmas gift. My other best friend moves into his new house, I think the week before Christmas. He is big into Star Wars, like he knows all the Star Wars lore, he knows like the history, he's, dare I say, a big Star Wars nerd in fact. And I walked past, actually I got this from when we were looking for our wrapping paper and stuff. There was another little store I walked past and saw it in the window, and it's a Star Wars Death Star jigsaw puzzle. It's 1,000 pieces, and I thought, you know, when he's in his new home, he could, you know, do a jigsaw puzzle. I'll share a couple more things with you. Sarah's grandma has just moved back to the UK from America, where she's been for how long? 15 years?
Oh no, my whole life.
Oh, your whole life? So
More earlier than my whole life.
Oh, well, at least 27 years then. I've not met her yet. I've met all of Sarah's family, but not Bernie. She's been in the country for about 2 months.
She moved during the pandemic, which is a sad time to move.
Yeah, bless her. So, Sarah, I mean, I've got no idea what she likes and things because I've never actually met her. So Sarah has got her a nice mug to make things more homely, because she moved, and obviously there's no point in packing things like mugs from going from America to the UK again. So she's sort of starting from scratch. So a nice mug with a bee on it, which is cute, and then a sort of a sleepy kit from Neon, which is full of sleepy stuff. Is that right?
Yeah, I did get a candle, but I used it
Oh,
myself.
we also got the candle, but she used
I
it.
love that candle.
Yes! Mince pie time.
You helping or am I on my own?
I'll help. Are we having like a frangipane bit?
Yeah.
Yes! I was just getting my camera out to show you how good of a square I'd managed to roll, and then I dropped my phone in it. That is the side of my phone, and that is the outline of my phone. I better roll that out. We're going to have some with a pastry top and some with like a frangipane top, which is in here. Sarah's been making it. Which is what? Just sugar, ground almonds and butter?
Cream together some butter and sugar.
Yeah.
Bit of flour, ground almonds. I put some almond extract in and an egg.
Oh. And in the oven they go. Get the oven for me, darling. See you in a bit, mince pies. Wow, they look good. Apart from the three, the tops have gone a bit oval, but you can hear them sizzling away still. They look so good. Okay, everybody, Sarah and I are, what are we doing, Sarah? We're wrapping up the video now. Huh? Like what I did there. It's coming together though. We've got a few things under the tree now. I'm wrapping up the whiskey here. Just got a few more bits there. I'm going to sign out. You're working on the sign out, aren't you?
No.
You're not going to?
No, try now.
Okay. Well, thank you all very, very much for watching. Oh, hello. I didn't even see you down there. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's made you feel a bit festive. Christmas is really just around the corner now, and I know it's going to be different this year, but I think we can all really make the most of it and make it something quite special. So thank you very much, and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.